I'm Shahnaz Sumro. Today's topic is carbohydrate and chapter components of food. Carbohydrates are energy rich biomolecules. Bio means life and biomolecules means here carbohydrates are important part of all living things, whether plants or animals. And energy rich biomolecules means these molecules of carbohydrates, when are burned with oxygen inside living organisms, they produce energy. They are one of the major nutrients required by many living organisms because they provide energy. All living things need energy to carry out their vital functions in their daily life, whether they are walking, running, hunting, eating, digesting, breathing. So these all functions need energy. That's why all living things need carbohydrates to get energy. And we know that there are 7 essential nutrients which are very important to sustain the life. So carbohydrate is one of them. Carbohydrate, one molecule, is made from 3 elements: carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. You can see here there is a molecular formula of glucose, means how carbon, oxygen, and hydrogen arrange in formula of glucose. So glucose is the simplest form of carbohydrate, or you can say these are the sugars. Carbohydrates can be classified in 3 groups, like I have told you: glucose, starch, and fibers. So the carbohydrates, starches, and fibers are called complex carbohydrate because the food which belong from this group, they cannot be dissolved in water. They take too much time for their digestion in the human body or in animals body. Second, the fibers cannot be digested by human body. So starch and fibers are the types of carbohydrates which are kept in the complex carbohydrate because they cannot be dissolved in water and they do not have sweet taste. Okay, so all grains, all beans and peas, nuts, potatoes, corns, vegetables, and fruits are the good source of starches and fibers. Sources of carbohydrates में dairy, milk, yogurt and ice cream, fruit, whole fruit and fruit juices, bread, rice, crackers and cereals, legumes, beans and other plant-based proteins, starchy vegetables, potatoes and corn. So they are good source of carbohydrates. Whenever we feel tired and we do not have energy, so we should increase the diet or food from this portion. So you can drink milk. Milk will provide you a carbohydrate, and along carbohydrate it also provides you calcium. So fruits juices, actually they are sugars and glucose, so they don't take too much time for digest, and these are the simplest form of carbohydrates, so they will provide you quickly energy. So whenever you feel tired and don't have too much energy to do work, so I advise you take a small chocolate or any juice which enhance or improve your energy level. Function of carbohydrates, yes, of course it is a good source of energy, right? So in the main source of energy in all living things is carbohydrate, but along providing energy, it also shows a great functions in human body and other living things, like to form supporting structure. Cellulose cell wall means all plants which are looking very hard in their structure, and they don't lose their shapes, right, just because of cellulose are present in their cell membrane, and which we say is a fiber. So actually cellulose makes a fibers converted to other organic compounds, amino acid and fats means these carbohydrates also convert into other compounds after digestion. Formation of nucleic acid, DNA is an important part of all living things which is present in cell, and actually it transfers the informations from parents to their offspring, right? So they carry the genetic information from generation to generation, and it is also made up of with carbohydrates, and carbohydrates are also used to make lubricants like mucus actually is carbohydrate plus protein, and mucus are present in our saliva, in our lungs. So in this way food easily can move down from mouth to stomach, and it also reduce the friction.